Hey, it's Seth, it's my birthday and I'm in the Green Falls Pond area, just going out for a lovely little hike. Come along. Mixing in some running with the hiking. Not on the downhills though, that tends to make my knee pop. Still need to get that leg stronger where I can really run consistently on down. It's hard not to do too much, too soon. Trying to keep my optimism in check and also know my limits and really just take it easy and try to enjoy this recuperation from my knee surgery. It's hard though. You can definitely feel the mist coming off of the water here, and yeah, lovely day. Actually, quite a few bugs. Beautiful. Well, on the other side of this is Green Falls Pond. We'll hike along that a bit and then do a little loop back to the car. Another very spring-like day, sunny for a little bit, then suddenly overcast. You never know exactly what it's going to be. Mix a little bit of rain perhaps, who knows? You just don't know around here at this time of year. Here's an example of how just trees in New England can just ruin everything. I'm being over dramatic, but here's this beautiful pond, and it's basically the entire way like this with just trees right up to the edge of the pond, and so you just don't get any unobstructed views of it, and that's sad. It makes me sad. Yeah, there's a few spots, but way over on the other side. I'm just being a curmudgeon. Finally found an answer to where to stash my poles when I'm wearing the Salomon Advanced Skin 12. I got their Salomon quiver, and well, that does a trick. It clips right in and works great. Sure, right after my old man yelling at clouds moment, I come to this nice unobstructed view of the pond. So what? My point still stands, damn it. I found a nice place to sit and relax here. See a bunch of cars over by the campground area across the way. Got this little patch of rock to myself. Nice breeze coming through, keeping those bugs at bay. Oh, this bridge got an upgrade. Thank you, whoever did this. Yeah, the water's running nice today. So this is one of the several shelters that line the Blue Blaze trails in eastern Connecticut. It's pretty nice. Got a bunch of pots and pans and things you could use. But pretty nice place. Permits are required to stay here. All right, yeah. Can hang a hammock there, all right. Boy, howdy. Not a bad spot. Could be mosquito heaven though, with this little vernal pool right next to it. Oh, a little cute shelf. It's starting to rain, and do I have a raincoat? No, I do not. For shame, for shame. Just a little drizzle, probably not much. But still. Some old human remnants here in the woods. And here's where it comes out. Yeah, a lot of big rock here. You don't normally think of this area as having such big glacial features, but yeah, it's quite impressive, and that's why it is one of my favorite areas to explore in southern Connecticut / Rhode Island. Almost to the end of this one, just a little bit of trail and road left to do. Thanks as always for watching. Time for me to head back to my house and enjoy some ice cream cake with my family. We'll see you on the next one.